Hey guys, this is how to fix PokerStars Texas Holdem Games app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on the search at the bottom and go for the top to search for the application. And after that, just simply tap on the app, guys. And when there is an update, instead of play, you should be able to see here update and just simply tap on it and make sure you are running the latest version. And just simply tap on the three dots in the top right and make sure to enable the auto update as well. Now, guys, for the second solution, just simply go to the settings. And after that, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply find the Poker Stars over here and just simply tap on it and go for the storage. And after that, just simply tap on clear cache. If you still encounter issue, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to reset the app. Now for the third solution, just simply hold the app and just simply uninstall it and just simply tap on OK, and just simply go back to the Google Play Store, and from here just simply reinstall it back again into your device and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have still issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.